How to comment photo in TikTok. What's up everyone? In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily comment photo on TikTok application. But before you get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. On that note, let's jump right in. So the very first thing that you want to do is open up your TikTok application. And from here, make sure to log in using your login credentials. And once you are logged in, all you have to do here is if you want to comment something on any post, you just have to open up its comments. And from here, once your comment is open, usually on the left side of your screen here, you will see a camera icon or a gallery icon. You can just tap on it to access your gallery and comment any photo that you want. But if you don't have this option available, then what you would want to do is make sure that your app is up to date. For that, you just have to open up your Play Store and go ahead and tap on your search bar to find TikTok. Once you search for TikTok, as you can see here, if you have an open button, update button instead of open, you just want to tap on it to update the app. And after updating, your app should look something like this where it says open. So if you find this update button, make sure to update the app and your problem should be fixed. If you found this helpful, hit the like, share, and subscribe button. I will catch you guys on the next one.